Good morning, my little star. How are you all? I hope you and your family are happy and healthy. I'm your science teacher. Welcome to online video class. So, friend, as you know that we already completed so many topics in chapter number 3rd. On Monday video, we completed adaptation for food, and today we will continue same topic on page number 29. Before starting this session, I would like to inform you that today is Tuesday, and you all know that on Tuesday there will be science homework. So class, be ready for your written homework. In last session of video, in the end session of video, I will give you homework and you have to do that homework in your notebook and send it to me on given email address. Okay, at the end of video I will provide you homework and the email address where you have to send your homework. Okay, there is no confusion regarding homework. I will give you homework today. Okay, so let's start today's session. Are you ready? Yes, I'm also ready, and I think you all are ready. So let's start today's session. So today date 7th July 2020, and which period is going? Which class is going, class? Yes, correct. Science. Chapter number 3rd, that is adaptation in animal. Just open page number 29. Student of class 4, just open page number 29. There is a topic that is adaptation for food. On the page number 29, there is a topic adaptation for food. So, you remember that on last session of video we already completed herbivorous animal, carnivorous animal. So, today we will continue same topic with next heading, that is omnivorous animal. Okay, now look at your book. You have your book yourself. You have your book with yourself, class? Yes. Now on the page number 29 there is a topic that is omnivorous animal. Now I am going to read that paragraph for you. So, omnivorous animal, animal that eat both plant and other flesh of animal. Remember this line, just underline this. Animal that eat both plant and flesh of other animal are called omnivorous animal. Very easy sentence now. Animal who eat plant and other animal flesh meat, that is called omnivorous animal. And the example is crow and bear are the example of omnivorous animal. And one thing is more interesting, that we are also omnivorous animal. If we are eating plant and flesh of other animal, we are also called omnivorous animal. Got it? Okay, now come to the next paragraph, that is parasite. Next heading is parasite. P-A-R-A-S-I-T-E-S. What we call parasite? What we call P-A-R-A-S-I-T-E-S. Parasite. Now I am going to read this paragraph for you. Some animal depend on the other animal to live. Some animal depend on another animal to live. कुछ जानवर जीने के लिए किसी और एनिमल्स पे डिपेंड होते हैं. ओके, दे आर कॉल्ड पैरासाइट. द एनिमल who depend on another animal, they live on another animal for survive. That is called parasite. Okay, class? Just like take an example, leech. double E C H, leech. Now next, LICE, lice, tapeworm, flea, bug, and etc. are the parasite. They live in the body of other animal and suck their blood. Just take an example, LICE, lice. That is in Hindi we call जू, जो हमारे बालों में होता है. That depend on us, वो हमारे बालों में प्रेजेंट होता है और हमारे ब्लड को सक करता है. ओके, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड पैरासाइट. लीव ऑन अनदर एनिमल, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैरासाइट. लीच, LEECH, लीच, दैट इज worm. In Hindi we call joke. Okay, that present inside our body and that suck our blood, that suck our nutrient. Okay, nutrient. That is called parasite. BUGS, bug. In Hindi we call khatmal. Oh, very good. Bug is also that parasite that present in our bed, in dirty area, in our body also, and that what they work, they just sucking our blood. हमारे शरीर पे रह के, हमारी बॉडी पे रह के हमारा ही ब्लड को वो सक करते हैं. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैरासाइट. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? नाउ द mosquito is also a parasite that come on our body and suck our blood. Mosquito is another example of parasite. They suck blood from our body of other animals also. That is called parasite. Now I hope this paragraph is clear to you. What is parasite? Parasite are animals that depend or live on another animal. Parasite, that is the animal that live on another animal for their survival. Okay, just take an example, mosquito. Mosquito is an insect. It come in the category of animal also. And that what mosquito do? Just come on your skin or body and suck your blood. Okay, so that is called parasite. I hope आपको ये पैराग्राफ समझ में आया होगा. Now next, come on the next topic, that is feeding habit of animal. Feeding. Do you know what is the meaning of feeding? FEEDING. Feeding, खाना. Feeding habit of animal. Just like take an example, our habit, we are using our hand during feeding. खाना खाने समय हम अपने हाथों का यूज करते, स्पून का यूज करते. We eat slowly. Okay. Now this is the habit of feeding us. This is the habit of feeding. ये हमारी habit है कि हम कैसे खाते हैं. Some are eating very quickly, some are eating very slowly. So that is a feeding habit. Same thing in animal also. They have some feeding habit that how they eat food. Some are just chew the food, some are just tear the food. So that is the feeding habit of animal. So come on this paragraph, that is feeding habits of animal. So now we are going to discuss some feeding habit of animal. Okay, some animal chew, चबाना, CHEW, chew, चबाना. Some animal chew just like a cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, all are cud chewing animals. It means they eat their food by chewing. Okay. Now they swallow their food without chewing it, and when they take a rest, they bring the food in their mouth and again chewing it well with the help of teeth. In Hindi, I am going to explain it that cow, grass-eating animals just like cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, what they do? They just eat all the grass, swallow it. वो swallow मतलब बेटा वो अपने food को निगल लेते हैं. और when they are taking rest, what they do? They अपने फूड को वापस अपने माउथ पे लाकर वो स्लोली स्लोली उसे बहुत प्रॉपरली चूइंग करते हैं, अपने फूड को स्लोली स्लोली उसे चूइंग करते हैं। तो दैट इज द फीडिंग हैबिट ऑफ ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल जस्ट लाइक cow, buffalo, goat and sheep. Okay. Now squirrel, rats and rabbit roam the food. Roam मतलब कुतूर कुतूर कर खाना, मतलब उसे छोटे छोटे बाइट में खाना, जैसे जस्ट लाइक टेक एन एग्जांपल रैट, हाउ दे ईट, दिस इज द फूड एंड दिस इज द रैट, हाउ दे ईट, दे स्लोली स्लोली roam the food, nut, seed. They have sharp front teeth. They have sharp front teeth. उनके आगे के जो दांत होते हैं बहुत ही शार्प होते हैं, तेज होते हैं, and with the help of sharp teeth they just take a bite of the food and eat that food. Okay, this is the feeding habit of growing animals. Now snakes swallow their food. Snake swallow their food. सांप वो अपने फूड को पूरा निगल लेता है, सॉलो कर लेता है इन द स्टमक. ओके. नाउ बटरफ्लाई हैज अ लॉन्ग sucking tube. Butterfly, you have seen that butterfly, they have long sucking tube. With the help of that long sucking tube, butterfly suck the nectar of flower. Okay, this is the feeding habit of animal. Okay class, this is the feeding habit of animal. After that, I will give you homework and you have to write this homework in your notebook, and then just take a click of homework and send it to given email ID. Don't worry if you have don't have any book, just help your mother. Just take your help your mother, your father. They will help you to for making your homework. Okay. Until you have to take rest, study continuously and read this chapter again and again. Okay class. In next session, live session, if you have any doubt, we will clear on that day. Until take care. Bye class. So class, this is your homework. You have to write five names of herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, parasite name animal, and send your homework on given email ID, that is vvbmvonlineclasses@gmail.com. This is your today homework. You have to write five names of herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, parasite animals name. Okay class, very easy homework, you can do it. You will write in very good handwriting. Your homework should be in good handwriting. Thank you.